In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to request a payout on EA markets. So the first thing you need to make sure that you have is, of course, an account and to complete the KYC. If you don't complete the KYC, you will not be able to request for a payout and the money might even get taken away from your account. So do that before you actually request the payout on EA markets. From here, you'll need to be able to check eligibility, and to ensure that you'll need to ensure your account is profitable and have met the minimum trading dates, which for E8 marketing or E8 markets is 8 days for the first payout. From here, you'll need to request for the payout. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up to your favorite browser and then go up to e8markets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. From here, you'll need to go up to E8X dashboard. And then from here, you'll need to sign in using your account, either Google, Discord, or you can also sign in by clicking right here. Once you're signed in, you'll see something like this inside of the dashboard. From here, you will need to find the payout option, and that will typically be around over here in the menu. If you don't see it, that's probably because you don't have the requested amount for you to pay out. Once you click the payout, you'll simply need to click how much you want to pay out for yourself, and then you will need to click pay out or withdrawal. You'll need to be aware that the first payout is available after 8 days. Subsequent payout are available every 14 days afterwards, and the minimum amount that you can withdraw at a time is $50, and the processing will typically be around 1 to 2 business days. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!